will pass a loud whistle too.
He does?
Yeah.
Is he a train?
Yeah. Kay will push a train.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm a big train.
You're a big train?
Yeah.
Are you strong?
Yeah, I am strong. You're strong too.
Oh, I am. Mommy's the biggest train of all.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Oh,
Are
my
you
name
Thomas?
is Evan.
Oh, Evan. I thought maybe you were Spencer the train.
I'm not Spencer.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm silly. Can you make a whistle?
Okay.
Do it. Wow. That was pretty loud. Are you done now? Do you have any other whistles in there?
Yeah.
Do you have a whistle in your nose?
No, I don't have a whistle in my nose.
Okay.
I have a whistle up here.
Oh, okay.
I have a whistle up here.
Okay. On your head?
No, that's not head.
No.
I have a whistle.
Okay.